Fiber demand continues to accelerate, driven by AI, cloud adoption, and higher density data center deployments. Customers need infrastructure partners who can scale as fast as they do. That growth also puts greater pressure on the fiber pathway itself. It must protect network performance, support faster deployment, and make future expansion easier. That's where Panduit FiberRunner stands apart. Engineered with smooth cable-carrying surfaces, built-in bend radius control, and integrated hardware, FiberRunner helps protect critical fiber infrastructure from installation through operation. Innovative quick-lock couplers and mounting brackets help teams deploy faster, expand more easily, and scale with confidence. Panduit anticipated this demand and made a strategic, long-term investment in FiberRunner manufacturing.
To support growing demand, we've made significant investments across our FiberRunner manufacturing operations. That includes expanding our molding and extrusion capabilities by adding new equipment, tooling, process improvements, and automation. So these improvements have expanded our production capacity while also helping us maintain the quality, consistency, and reliability our customers expect.
We've also expanded manufacturing support globally across North America, EMEA, and Asia.
We are constantly looking for new ways to improve our processes, increase efficiency, and to solve new challenges, which help us deliver reliable products as demand continues to grow.
This investment gives our customers the confidence that Panduit can deliver FiberRunner as fast as their business needs demand, from small expansions to the largest global deployments.
The new equipment and automation have allowed us to increase capacity while maintaining the high-quality standards our customers depend on, increase throughput by reducing manual steps and bottlenecks, and they create a safer work environment by minimizing repetitive tasks and material handling. As customer needs change, we're well-positioned to adapt, innovate, and continue building on the progress we've already made.
Panduit being a partner to our unique and diverse customer base, we've executed our expansion plan with the machinery and human capital in place now, globally, near the point of use.
Win with the industry-leading fiber routing system designed for performance, reliability, and growth. Panduit FiberRunner. Install faster, protect better, and scale quicker.